Hey there, my name is Julian, and I have something really exciting for you today. That is a completely free online course template for WordPress. So I'm just going to show you how this works a little bit. If you're not concerned with that, just go to the chapters below and go to the installation step. First, I'm just going to walk you through what it is so you can decide if this is even something that you can use. So what we have here is a home page, and all of the pages here were built using Bricks Builder. If you don't use Bricks Builder, you won't be able to use these pages. That being said, you can use all the other stuff and throw in whichever builder you do want to use. So we've got some stuff over here that's showing the modules. We've got a CTA, we've got a pricing table, we've got FAQs, and that is on the home page. Then let's say you go ahead and click Enroll Now on that. I'm actually already logged in. So here I am, and we can see on here a whole bunch of different course modules. Within that, we have different lessons, which obviously you can customize and add your own. People can upgrade their plan, downgrade their plan, and so on and so forth. So beautiful little online course template that you can customize to your heart's content. It uses Bricks Builder, Advanced Custom Fields, and the Memberstack plugin. So if that is all good with you, then I'm now going to show you how you can install it on your site. So here we go. First things first, go ahead and start up a fresh WordPress site. Now, if you don't know how to do that, I would recommend using local WP. Just Google local WP. It's a very, very, very easy way to start a local WordPress site from scratch. So I have one here, which I started with local WP. And then what you're going to need to do is go ahead and download the zip file online course template. There's a link in the description below. You're going to take that. You're going to go back on over to your fresh site and go ahead and add a plugin and search for WP Vivid, just like that, WP VIVID. And this first one here was 700,000 active installations. Let's go ahead and hit install on that. And then once it's done, we are going to activate it. You won't need to pay for this. You won't need to add any license keys or anything like that. It's simply a one-click install and you're ready to use it. After that, if you want to delete it and use your own plugin, go right ahead. You're only going to need it for this part. All right, so now let's go ahead and hit activate, and it's going to take us to the WP Vivid Backup plugin. So here we are right over here, and now we are going to restore it. So let's go on over to upload. Let's drag in our file that we've just got, just like that. And let's go ahead and hit upload. So as you can see, the upload has completed. And now we can go ahead and hit restore. Now let's go ahead and click restore one more time. Are you sure to continue? I am sure to continue. As you can see, it's doing its thing, taking a little while. And then once this is done, we are going to end up with the online course template in our WordPress dashboard. So it's super easy. You just need to drag in the zip into WP Vivid, click restore, and you are good to go. So we're just about done here. As you can see, restore was successfully completed, and now it's going to ask us to log in. So I've pre-configured the following credentials to make your life a bit easier. Go ahead and type in admin, and then for the password, just do 4 zeros. So 0, 0, 0, 0. Go ahead and hit remember me, log in. So now we can see we are in here, and what you're going to need to do, first things first, if you're using Bricks Builder, hover over Bricks, go to license, and enter your license key. The next thing that you're going to want to do is go to Memberstack, and if you already have a Memberstack app created, enter your app ID here. If not, then all you need to do is go to wordpress.memberstack.com, create an account, create an app, and add in your license key. You do not need to pay for Memberstack until you are done and ready to launch on your live domain. So if you're not sure about it, you haven't used it yet, just go ahead, try it out, see how it works for you. You don't need to pay anything, no credit card needed. So that is it. Once you have that, you will be left just like I am here with a completely ready to customize online course template that you can scale to millions of members. So that's about it. If this was helpful to you, please subscribe, like, and comment. I'll talk to you soon. Have a great day.